had to wake up really early this morning. We're very, very tired. Very tired.
I don't like waking up. It's not the waking up, it is the waking up. I can't open my eyes in the morning, I still can't. But we're ready to go.
It's hard for me to wake Jason up in the morning. It takes me so long to get up.
No, it's not.
But I'm gonna go to the White Temple, drop the bike back, do some laundry, and we've got a lot of videos to catch up on. So we're gonna have a chore day today when we get back. Fun, fun, fun.
Righty then, we've taken a quick little drive, about 20 minutes away from Chiang Rai, the main city, and we've come to the White Temple, which is Wat Rong Khun, and basically it was designed by an artist and an architect. 1997 was the completion date, and that is when it opened to the public. It is behind us. Let's go have a look. So, even though we're going to get to visit it today, in 2014 there was an earthquake that actually damaged a lot of the buildings inside, and it was thought at the time that they would have to demolish all of this for safety reasons. So that happened I think on May the 5th, and then a couple of days later an expert team came in to assess the damage, and they said that some buildings could be recovered. After that, the artist, I think his name's Kalamachi, I've probably butchered that, but he then after that, so 2 days after the earthquake, decided to then devote the rest of his life to rebuilding and finishing the project again. He said it would take 2 years, and they opened it up again eventually. So this is why we get to go see it, because he devoted extra bits of his life to sorting it out. So we've just noticed, and honestly, I've got to just say it, the architecture is absolutely incredible. But we've noticed that in the statues, so they've actually molded money into it. The detail is just insane. This is nothing that we've ever seen in Thailand before.
It's quite a scary one. They've got skulls and arms coming out of the ground. So we weren't actually allowed to film inside the temple, but it's pretty amazing.
What I would like to know, and leave me a comment please, because there's a monk in there. Is it wax or is it real?
Looks very real, but he's so still you can't tell if it's real or not.
Yeah.
I'm presuming it's a real monk, but
I think it's the wax one, but then it's so hot in there. I don't know. Can someone let us know if it's? That would be great.
I don't want to lie. It's a bit disrespectful, but maybe someone could let us know.
Yeah, please do.
I mean, it's amazing either way. But, like, if it's a real person, he's staying so still, it's amazing. Or if it's wax, he looks very real.
Yeah, he does. It looks like a real person, but we have no idea. Go into the Cave of Art. Now I don't know if you can hear me, but the sound of water is, to me, the most relaxing sound ever, and this is very chilled out here. So I've just noticed something in the artwork behind me, and all of the sculptures that are like embedded into the rock are from movies. So we've got like Alien here, you can see it. You've got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So we've decided to come into the art cave. We're in the entrance at the moment. I don't know what the sound's like because it's a bit echoey. But you do need to pay 50 baht each extra to come in here. There's a ticket office just next to the entrance and you can get it there. We're not sure what it's like, but we'll show you and you can decide whether or not you want to pay for it. Spider-Man, Captain America, Thanos is there, Venom is there. Who else have we got?
Got Groot.
Groot.
Well, that was pretty cool actually.
I'd definitely say do it. It's pretty dark in there, but it's like quite sensory. There's like lots of like running water, lots of lights, like as you just saw. Oh yeah, it literally takes 2 minutes. It's not very big, but definitely worth it. And
Very cool.
the sculptures are like different compared to what's outside. So
It
yeah,
was really
awesome.
good.
Do it.
So the entrance fee to the temple is 100 baht each, and then the art cave is 50 baht each, which for both of those together, for both of us, equals to £6.80. So it's quite a cheap.
I mean, £3.40 each for a little cave sort of museum, I guess it is. And to see the temple, absolutely 100% worth it.
I think that temple is actually one of my favourites.
Yeah,
It's magnificent.
yeah. The artwork. I mean, every temple is a piece of art, but that does take the biscuit.
And I think it's a bit scary, and I like my scary stuff. It's got
Yeah.
skulls and stuff, so that's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's a bit more of a like a gothic
Yeah,
sort of vibe to it.
that's why I like it.
Yeah, goth Dave over here.
If anyone hears him calling me Dave, it's because I keep taking videos and photos of the nature. So it's David Attenborough, if you wonder.
Yeah, Dave. Right, so the building behind us is a museum to like coins. We literally spent 20 seconds in there, I won't lie. I didn't find it too interesting.
Well, we're not allowed to take any photos or anything, so we couldn't show you.
Yeah, no photos in there. The building's cool, as you can see. But yeah, I think that's it for us here, at least. We need to go drop the bike back, and then we're having a bit of a day of washing and doing boring things like that. So I don't know when we'll see you again.
Well, we might go to the night market, so you might have a look to see that.
Oh yeah, let's go to the night market tonight. We'll show you that as well. But yeah, see you in a bit.
We are off to the night market, our favourite place. Jason thinks that the big one we went to might have just been a weekend one, and I can't see any night markets, so it might just be a small one tonight. There was some things that I really wanted that I saw.
So hopefully the other one has it. So I have got chicken pad thai. I'm excited. Jordan made one, so let's just try a bit here. It's pretty good.
Right, so I did want pork with rice, but it's sold out. So I've just gone pork belly. But it's more expensive. Nice though. Hard work to eat, so it's a bit chewy. Really nice.
A cool name, shoulder. Please put your left hand with me. Okay. We pray for the universe. We pray for shoulder's higher self in every dimension. Please guide it. Please. On the seventh position is mean things that can help you.
Okay.
Your lover, yes, he would be a good consult, and a good opinion, good advice for you. Something you can ask his opinion. What he think about that thing.
So I just wanted to try it. Not that I really believe in things like that. I just think it's quite interesting. But what she said sounded quite spot on, really. And apparently I'm gonna have success, which would be nice if I did. But who knows?